This video will show you how to add alerts to your project. In the native apps, alerts appear as notifications. This is a great way to remind users about an important session or to show a sponsor message. To get started, let's go to Design and Alerts. Create your alerts in advance so they are downloaded to the app with the first dataset. That way, the notifications show on native apps even if the app is in the background. Click on Add Alert to create a new alert. We want to highlight our sponsor's reception. So we add the title, "Be sure to attend our sponsor reception event." Using the action builder, we can make the alert interactive. It's possible to link the alert to an external URL, an app function such as schedule, an individual item like the event in the program itself, or a list of items. Let's assume that we have added a bus schedule in one of our custom views and want the alert to link to that. Select App Function, Custom View, Shuttle Bus Schedule. Use the date and time picker to select when you want the alert to start appearing on users' devices. We want our bus schedule alert to appear 30 minutes before the event, so we set the time to 3 p.m. Also, choose a date and time when the alert should no longer appear on users' devices. We recommend keeping alerts active for a few hours to make sure as many attendees as possible can see it. You can add additional text in the message field. Let's add in text that tells attendees about the bus schedule. Clicking on Advanced will give you more options to tailor your alert to specific users. If you have purchased targeted content for your project, you could target a specific user type, such as attendees or speakers. You can also limit the alert to those users who have added this session to their schedules. Since we only want users who have this event added to their schedules to receive the alert, we will paste the session ID from the agenda data in the Target Session ID field. To push your alerts live, click Publish. Once devices have received your published data, the alerts will be displayed at the times you have designated. In the native apps, the alerts appear as a push notification, of course only if users have allowed the app permission to send alerts. All users see the notification at the top of their home screen, where they may interact with it and close out of it. In the planner, the alert appears on top of the home screen for users to click on, and when they're done, they can close the alert card.